Hi students, let's start a new topic here, that is rationalization. How to rationalize the denominator of the surd. If we have any expression over here and in the denominator if there is surd, for example here in the denominator there is a surd, how we will rationalize that? Rationalize means that we will solve that in a way that in the answer there will be no surd. The denominator will be free of surd. So here what we will do, from the denominator if there is no sign, so then we will multiply and divide the same expression by by this denominator. But if there is a sign, then we will take the conjugate of denominator and we will multiply it and divide the expression by that conjugate. So by here looking, see, we can see that there is no sign over here in the denominator. So we are going to multiply and divide this expression by the same denominator. This is 3 over 4 under root 3. Multiply 4 under root 3 divided by 4 under root 3. So now what we will do here? Simply we will multiply the numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 3 4 times, that is 12. In the surd this is under root 3. Then you can see 4 4 times 16, under root 3 multiply by under root 3, that is under root 3 squares. Now you can see the numerator will be same over here, 12 under root 3 divided by the denominator. Here the square is cancelled by the root, so 16 and 3 is left here. Now we can check for the cancellation. 3 and 16, here it is 12. We can do the cancellation. 3 1 times, 3 4 times, and then 4 1 times, 4 times 16. And this is under root 3 divided by 4. Now you can see that here in the answer there is no surd now. We have rationalized this denominator. Rationalize means the answer will be, there is the denominator and that denominator in the answer will be free of surd. There is no surd in the answer now. Okay, now it's part 2 and 3, they are same, and I can solve any one part over here. Part 3 I think so I should do. In this part 3 you can see here are the two surds now. Here are the two values. So we will multiply and divide this expression by the same denominator. 6 over under root 8 root 27 multiply by the root 27. Now we can multiply the numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So this is the 6 outside the surd. Both these we will write the root 8 under root 27 in the denominator, under root 8 under root 27 2 times, so we will take its square. This is cancelled. You can see what is left over here, 6. I will make the factors of this 2 squares and 2. Then I will make the factors of 27s, that is 3 square and 3 divided by 8 and 27. Now the both these values which are in the form of the pair, they will be cancelled by the root. They will be outside the root. 2 and 3 will be 6 here. 1 6 is already there. 2 3 times 6 will be outside. 3 2 times 6, that will be inside. This is 8 and 27. Now you can check for the cancellation over here. If they are the divisible by the same number, we can cancel them. We can cancel them in a way. 2 3 times, 2 4 times 8, 3 1 times, 3 9 times this, 3 2 times 6, 3 3 times 9, 2 1 times 2, 2 2 times 4. Now this is under root 6 over 3. In the denominator, now there is no surd. This has been rationalized. After doing the cancellation, we got here under root 6 over 6. Now you can see in the denominator there is no surd. Now it's next part 4, 5, 6, 7, almost same. So part 5 I will solve over here. 15 over under root 31 minus 4. As I have told you, there is the surd in the denominator. I will take the conjugate of this and we multiply the expression by the same conjugate and divide this. So 15 over under root 31 minus 4 multiply. Its conjugate will be, here we will change the sign. If there is under root 31 minus 4, its conjugate will be under root 31 plus 4. In conjugate, we just have to change the sign. Now we'll simplify this. 15 multiplied by this under root 31 plus 4 divided by this is under root 31 minus 4 under root 31 plus 4. This is the same formula of a plus b, a minus b, that we can close as a squared minus b squared. So a is here under root 31 minus b is here 4. Now we'll simplify this. 15 under root 31 plus 4 divided by this root will be cancelled by this. Now this is 31 minus will take the square of 4 times 16. This is 30, numerator will be as it is. And in the denominator, this is 31 minus 16 is 15. The both 15 will be cancelled here. So our answer is 31 under root 31 plus 4. Now this is rationalized as there is no surd in the denominator. Okay guys, now we are going to solve its part number 8. Part 8 again is having the surd in the denominator. Here are now the two surds. In the same way, we have to rationalize this denominator. We have to eliminate the surd from the denominator. So how we will eliminate this surd from here? We will take the conjugate of this and we will multiply and divide this expression by the conjugate. First I will write this expression. Under root 5 plus under root 3 divided by under root 5 minus under root 3. Multiply by the conjugate of denominator. Its conjugate will be, as I've told you, the sign will be changed. Under root 5 plus under root 3. And divide by this. Under root 5 plus under root 3. Now this expression we have, there is multiplication between them. Simply we will multiply the numerator by the numerator and denominator by the numerator. You can see here are the same numerator completely, even they their signs are also same. So we will take their whole square. I can write this under root 5 plus under root 3 whole squares divided by. Here this is under root 5 minus under root 3 and this is under root 5 plus under root 3. We can here use the formula again, a plus b into a minus b, that will be closed as a square minus b square under root 5 squares minus under root 3 squares. Now this has the whole square. We will use the formula of whole square that we have done before. While we're opening the a plus b whole square, this is equals to a squares plus b squares plus 2ab. Same like this here. Under root 5 squares plus under root 3 squares plus 2 under root 5 and under root 3. This is divided by, the square is cancelled by the root. 5 minus 3. Now in the next step, we will open this. This is cancelled. 5 square plus 3. They both are cancelled. So what is left? 5 plus 3 plus 2. As I told you before, if there are the two surds and there are multiplication between them, we will simply multiply the radicands. 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. This is divided by 5 minus 3 is 2. Now is here 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 2 under root 15 divided by 2. You can take the common from here. From 8 and 2 you can take the 2 as the common and then you can cancel that, and up to here as well this is okay. Okay, now again going to take the common of 8 and 2. Its common is 2. Inside what is left? 4 plus under root 15. And this is divided by 2. The both 2 are cancelled. So here the answer is 4 plus under root 15. Now in the denominator there is a 1 that is not a surd. So we have eliminated the denominator from, eliminated the surd from the denominator. Question number 2 you can do yourself because they will only have to take the conjugate. You just have to take the change the signs over there. Question 3 part 1 we are going to solve. Part 1, the value of x is given 2 minus under root 3. We have to find here the value of 1 over x. So first we write over here 1 over x. 1 over, in place of x we write its value 2 minus under root 3. Now in the same way we have to rationalize the denominator. First we will write this 2 minus under root 3, multiply and divide by the conjugate of this 2 plus under root 3 over 2 plus under root 3. Now we multiply the numerator by that. By multiplying by 1 there will be no change. 2 minus under root 3, 2 plus under root 3. The same formula will be used over. Here that is a squares minus b squares. 2 plus under root 3 over. The square of 2 is 4. And this square is cancelled by the root. This is minus 3. So this is 2 plus under root 3 over 1. There is no need to write the 1 in the denominator. So 1 over x is equals to 2 plus under root 3 means we have find here the value of 1 over x. Let's start this part 3. The part 2 is same. By following the same rule you can solve this part 2. So part 3 the value of x here given again we'll have to find here the value of x plus 1 over x. Now you can see but we have to and 1 over x. We have the value of x over here, but we don't have the value of 1 over x. First we'll have to find the value of 1 over x from there. Under root 3 plus 2. In the same way we will find its value of 1 over x by taking the conjugate of this. Multiply under root 3 minus 2 over under root 3 minus 2. So the 1 over x is equals to under root 3 minus 2. It's divided by, we take the square of under root 3 and minus 2 squares as a squares minus b squares. So under root 3 minus 2 will be equals to, this is cancelled, there is 3 and the square of 2 is 4. So this is now the value of 1 over x, that is equals to under root 3 minus 2 over minus 1. This minus you will have to write with the numerator outside here. This value will be in the bracket under root 3 minus 2, and when you will open this will be as minus under root 3 and minus will be plus. This is the value of 1 over x. Now we'll find from here x plus 1 over x. We will add both the values of x and 1 over x. Okay, now what we are going to add here, that is x plus 1 over x. The value of x is here under root 3 plus 2 plus the value of 1 over x is minus under root 3 plus 2. We are going to open these brackets under root 3 plus 2 plus minus under root 3 and plus 2. Now you can see that plus under root 3 minus under root 3 can be cancelled. They are like in the opposite terms, and 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. So here the value of x plus 1 over x is equals to 4. Question 4 part 1. Again you can see that these are the same type of the question, but the difference is previously there was only one expression, now here are the two expressions. But the way that we will use that is completely same here. We will rationalize this one and this one, then we will add them. 1 plus under root 2 over under root 5 plus under root 3 multiplied by under root 5 minus under root 3 divided by under root 5 minus under root 3. Then the second one is 1 minus under root 2 over under root 5 minus under root 3. Its conjugate will be under root 5 plus under root 3. So we will multiply by the conjugate and divide by the conjugate. Now we will simplify, we will multiply this by this. 1 multiply by this, because the first term we will multiply by all this, then the second term will be multiplied by all this. 1 multiplied by under root 5, we will get under root 5. 1 multiplied by minus under root 3 minus under root 3. Then plus 2 under root multiply by under root 5 plus 2 5 times 10 plus minus under root 2 will be multiplied by under root 3, we will get under root 6. In the denominator, this is a plus b, a minus b. So the formula will be a squares minus b squares. Then there is plus. Again here 1 will be multiplied by both these, then minus under root 2 will be multiplied by both these. 1 multiplied by under root 5, that is under root 5. 1 multiplied by under root 3, that is under root 3. Minus under root 2 multiplied multiply by under root 5, that is minus under root 10. Minus plus is minus, under root 2 multiplied by under root 3 is under root 3, 6. As I've told you, two surds can be multiplied. In the denominator, the same formula again, a squared minus the value of b is under root 3 squares. Now you can see from here, in the denominator, this can be cancelled. The squares can be cancelled by the root. Now what is left over here? In the numerator, all will be right again. Under root 5 minus under root 3 plus under root 10 minus under root 6. 5 minus 3 is 2 plus under root 5 plus under root 3 minus under root 10 minus under root 6. This will be as 5 minus 3 is 2. Now you can see that here are the two expressions and sign between them is of plus. Means we will take their LCM. The LCM, the denominator of the both is same, that is 2. So that 2 will be the LCM here. This is 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. When 1 will be multiplied by all this, we will get the same. Under root 5 minus under root 3 plus under root 10 minus under root 6. Again, LCM divided by this denominator, we will get 1. 1 multiplied by all these, we will get the same. Under root 3 minus under root 10 minus under root 6. Now in the denominator, you can see the like in the opposite terms. Minus under root 3 plus under root 3 will be cancelled. Plus under root 10 minus under root 10 will be cancelled. So here plus under root 5 plus under root 5, that will be 2 under root 5. Minus minus will be plus, that will be minus 2 under root 6. So what is left over here? 2 under root 5 minus 2 under root 6. And this is divided by 2. You can see from both the terms what is the common here, that is 2. Inside what is left? Under root 5 minus under root 6 over 2. This is cancelled. So our answer is under root 5 minus under root 6. This is the rationalized form of this given expression. Okay, the last part we are going to do, because the part 2 we will solve yourself, and part 3 we are going to do. Here the part 3, the 3 expressions are given over here. We will rationalize the all 3. In the same way, 2 by under root 5 plus under root 3 multiply and divide by the conjugate of this, that is under root 5 minus under root 3 divided by under root 5 minus under root 3. Then there is plus, this is 1 over under root 3 plus under root 2 multiplied by the conjugate of this and divide by the conjugate under root 3 minus under root 2 over under root 3 minus under root 2. Then there is minus 3 over under root 5 plus under root 2 multiply and divide by the conjugate of this under root 5 minus under root 2 over under root 5 minus under root 2. Now we'll simplify this. 2 multiplied by this, you get same. Denominator, the same formula we will use. A squared minus b squared under root 5 squared minus under root 3 squared. Then here is plus 1 multiplied by this under root 3 minus under root 2 divided by this again the same formula will be used. Under root 3 squares minus under root 2 squares minus 3 multiplied by that under root 5 minus under root 2, and this is under root 5 squares minus under root 2 squares. These squares can be cancelled by the root. Now this is 2 under root 5 minus under root 3 divided by 5 minus 3 is 2 plus this is under root 3 minus under root 2. There is no change because of 1. 3 minus 2 is 1 minus 3 into under root 5 minus under root 2, and this is divided by 5 minus 2 is 3. Now you can see from here that these can be cancelled. Now we will simplify this. We will open the brackets. Under root 5 minus under root 3 plus under root 3 minus under root 2. Here is minus under root 5 and minus minus will be plus under root 2. Now the like in the opposite terms will be cancelled over here. Plus under root 5 minus under root 5 will be cancelled. Minus under root 3 plus under root 3 will be cancelled. Minus under root 3 and plus 2 under root 2, that is also cancelled over here. So what is the answer here? That is 0. So how we rationalize the expressions? How we rationalize the denominator? By taking the conjugate and multiplying and dividing the expressions by that conjugate, we can rationalize the expression. And rationalization means that we eliminate the surd from the denominator. Thank you.